Hi guys, welcome back to MKC Electronics. Today I have another case here. We'll be doing unboxing and closer look. This one is a first player PC gaming case Fire Dancing V2. I did already cut open the box, but I haven't have a look yet on it, so I don't know what to expect. It wasn't expensive. This one was $29.99 shipped. So I don't expect much from it, to be honest. But it should come with 3 RGB fans, if I did that correctly, the description. Now it will give me static electric for sure. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, so packaging, standard foam. Already I can tell it's light. Not like super strong or something. But so what we having here? That's a perspex. That's a perspex. So that's not tempered glass. At least I thought it would be tempered glass, but it's not. So from the top, let's start with I/O. It's a classic I/O. Power button, reset, 2 USB 2.0, USB 3.0 just one time, mic and headphones. From back, you can see it's top-mounted power supply of 120mm fan at the back can be mounted, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 expansion slots. So presumably it will take full ATX port. Even I wouldn't put one there. Let's take off. This will fall off for sure. I do it that way, it will fall off. Let's take the perspex down, the side cover, and have a look inside. Okay. Yep, it doesn't have any guidance, nothing, it's just a piece of plastic. And is it black? Is it black? Let's see. I will. Yeah. So it's smoked, sort of smoke color. So it's not black. It will look good once the foil is down and it's fully bodied computer. So I already had some first player cases in the past, and as far as I can tell, they always do this open concept. So from here, you can see, as I said, top-mounted power supply. We have some cutouts for cable management. We have 3 fans. They're supposed to be RGB, but I don't know how to control them yet. I'll have a look. Probably through reset button. You can put 3.5mm hard drive here, another one in the bottom, so it's have a space for 3.5-inch 2 times, plus 2 SSD mounts. Turn it around. And this one, it will go. I will be not buying anything powerful in this. It will be 4th gen Pentium with some 2 GB video card. So it will be for basic gaming, like, I don't know, Sims or something like that. So yeah, as I thought. So here is the front I/O cables. Here are some screws with stand-ups in there. Okay, let's see that. Okay, that's the 3.0 connector, HD audio, USB, and power connection. So the fans, how they work? Most likely it will be just running colors on its own. Don't know. We'll see. I will try, and I will let you know, guys. In a bit. So from back we have a little space with for the cable management. So we have some cutouts here. So you will have to be really skilled to put some cables over there. It's how deep is it? Like 1.5 centimeters deep. The front perspex glass can be removed as well. It's just on 4 screws, 10 screws. Yeah, I would say. And then it's the same, just plastic as a side panel. And then these 3 fans. I guess they will look good, but I'm really wondering now how it will look like when I will power it on. Well, with that said, I need to check noise level as well because they are just Marks connectors on them. That's about it. It takes a full ATX board in there, 3 fans, 2 3.5-inch hard drive, 2 SSDs, top mounted power supply. It's not that bad. It's not bad looking. Some space for cable management. Here are some hooks too, where to tie it up and stuff. I think it's a nice basic case for $29.99. Well, I'm gonna try those fans, record them obviously so you can guys see how it's light up, and we'll fit in some pictures how it look built computer in there. See you in a bit.